I don't know what I'm doing here.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Neither do I.
Well, did you get the message?
Well, yeah, but I just came and then I just sort of...
I was told to come here
Yeah,
at
so...
this time,
Yeah, so was I.
this place,
Yeah, so was I.
on this day,
Yeah,
to meet someone.
yeah. But who?
Don't know.
Unless it was a trick.
Must have been a trick.
We haven't spoken for 5 years, have we? Not since that row we had.
Who?
You and I. Since that whole, problem with colleagues and work and everything.
Yes, Samantha stole your pen, so I tried to give it back, but then you thought I'd stolen it, so you had a go at me.
Yeah, but then it got more serious because it was about missing files and stuff, so they're trying to get us, I don't know, to row, to make up, I don't know.
Well, I never did steal your pen.
I know you didn't. I didn't really care,
Why'd you have a go at me?
I don't know, it was 5 years ago, but I think I was more worried about the files. Should we just, forget about it? I'm not sure why unless it's Samantha's fault, I don't know. Let's just forget about it and go home. I've got work to do.
I'll see you around.
See ya.